How to create or generate the pencil sketch in Canva. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you two methods, then you can use as per your requirement. So let's start with the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So let me take one blank page to show you. Okay, the page has opened. Now you can see you can upload your image from here. You can upload your own image from here. After upload, you can see your images like this. You need to just select that, it will be insert on page. Okay, so I just select this image. Okay, so as I told you, there is a two method. So first method, you can use any app. In Canva there is a lots of app you can use for any kind of work. Like here we need to go in app, and here you can search for the image to sketch, or just type pencil sketch. Okay, here you can see lots of app. Okay, so in every app there is a credit. Okay, so you can use as a free for some work. Okay, so here you can see there is a Sketchify. We have only one credit. Okay, you can use one credit. So one to get 100 credit per day. Okay, we need to subscribe there if you want the more credit. So if you have minimum work, then this credit will be refreshed every day, so you can use one credit for one day. Okay, so now the image will be by default selected. Now here is the style of the sketch. You can select any style. So I just keep this one, paper, colored pencil. If you want colored pencil, you can use it. Additional instruction, if you want to give the additional information, like if you want the background, if you want a dark color, whatever. After done, just type select the Sketchify image, click on that. So it will be work, it will be take few seconds. Okay, so sketch has been generated. Now can just replace the image or add to design or generate again or start over. Okay, I just add the design will be add as a separated design like this. Now you can select the original one, delete it, and you can make as the original this sketch image. Okay, this is our first method. In second method I will show you. Let me undo everything. Okay, so here in second method, if you have a pro version of Canva, you can use this. Okay, so what we need to do, just come to the page, select the image, and here in the Canva, this is the Canva AI, just select at, click on it. Now we need to give the prompt to the Canva. So what do we need to do, convert this image into real sketch, sorry, pencil sketching. Okay, now just this is a real prompt. Just select hit the prompt. Now let me check if it's working or not. It's syncing, it will be take few seconds. It's generating now, it's finalizing the image. Yeah, image has been generated. Now just select that plus icon, the image is here. Now you can just put side by side, or you can delete the original one and make as a pencil icon. This is look like real pencil sketch, you can see. So just deleted the original one and make as a pencil, like this is the original, this make as a main. You can see this is a real pencil image. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.